Pangarap mong bahay na malapit sa Tagaytay, sabay-sabay nating tuparin dito lang yan sa Richdale West, General Trias, Cavite. Dito sa Richdale West, meron tayong townhouse, single attached, and single detached na pwede mong pagpilian. For Jasmine Expanded, meron itong typical na lot area na 82 square meter to 107 square meter. For Carnation Single Attached, meron itong typical lot area na 100 square meter at floor area na 66 square meter. At provision nito for 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath at 2 carpet. And for Linea Single Attached, meron itong typical na 100 square meter at floor area na 77.25 square meter. At provision nito for 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath at 2 carport. Bawat unit ay may sariling parking space at service area for future expansion. Bare unit ang turnover nito. May freedom kang mag-design sa taste at budget mo. Malapit lang ito sa highway, kaya naman accessible sa lahat. Malapit lang ito sa future Calax Silang, Interchange, Lyceum Cavite, Gateway Business Park at Tagaytay City. Ang Richdale West is a pre-selling project by Axia Group of Companies, kaya makakasigurado kang quality ang magiging subdivision mo. Yes, you heard it right. Pre-selling ang project na ito, kaya naman mas magaan and mas stretchable ang ating payment term. For down payment, pwede itong stretchable up to 28 months. And for the balance, applicable ito through Pag-ibig Financing. Maganda pa dito, developer-assisted na ang progress ng loan mo. Isa itong exclusive subdivision na may top-notch amenities gaya ng amphitheater, camping area, tree houses, fruit gazebos, art installation, circular plaza, wood deck, gazebos, and jogging path. Gusto mo rin bang tumira sa ganito kagandang community? Message mo lang ako at tutulungan kita magkabahay. Tara, I'm your property specialist, Rose Rogacion. Tara na, tripping na!